Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are going to do an air intake modification on the Street Triple. Stick around. Okay, so this is the plan. If you have a look in here, this is the intake that leads into the airbox. Now these slots are quite small, so the idea is to open up these channels and let the bike breathe a little bit easier. Okay, so let's take that out and get right to it. Okay, we broke 2 bits out of this old crap set, so we just went ahead and bought some new ones. So let's get back to it. So if you've got a Street Triple anywhere from I think 2012 to 2016, 17 I think, which is the same front end as this one, you'll be able to do this modification. As you can see, the intake, the mouth intake, the holes are quite small. So it does have the potential to go down all the way. So what we're going to do is just open that up and make it breathe easier. There you go. We made a little Jeep Wrangler. So we basically just open up the slots twice as big as they were. It's going to allow the air to rush in a little bit easier. You're going to get more of that Street Triple induction noise. So we're going to go ahead and put it back. There you go guys, quick and easy air intake modification. Hopefully the Street Triple is going to breathe a lot better. Can't wait to ride it now. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.